Welcome to Clearfield Metal Technologies. At Clearfield Metal Technologies, we manufactured many components for industries including automotive, heavy equipment, industrial, lawn and garden, agricultural, power tools, appliance, hardware, automation, sports and recreation, electrical motors, hydraulics, offices, and medical. First, powder is delivered in big bags. Once delivered, it's put into the desired press and pressed into a green part. Green parts are parts not yet molded and will break very easily. Once green, they go through a sintering process which involves heating the green pieces with intense heat, making them solid.
Molding will produce anywhere from 8 to 12,000 per machine per shift. Sintering is, I think, around the same number per machine per shift. Machining is down a little from that to 300 to 500 per machine per shift. Okay, we have various different measuring machines here in quality control. One is called an air gauge. This blows a constant stream of air, measure a part, and tell us what size it is. It displays it on this screen here, and if it's in red like this part is, that means it is no good.
I anticipate continued growth in the PM industry in this area. There's a couple areas that are becoming challenging for us to fill. The biggest one would be in the die setter arena. These are the individuals that actually put the molds into the presses that make the parts. That is the higher skilled area that we're looking for, but there is a high demand for people that want to go into the die setter arena.